Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can add LinkedIn leads to MySQL database with details automatically. So guys, if you are using LinkedIn lead generation forms to generate leads for a business, you know how valuable it can be to store those leads in a separate database for further communication. In this example, we are going to use MySQL database. And guys, I'm going to level up this for you by connecting and integrating LinkedIn lead generation forms with MySQL, and your generated leads will be captured and stored in SQL database automatically, and you do not have to do it manually. So it will improve your efficiency and productivity. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding. Let's begin. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I'm going to paste this same link in the description so that you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that sign in and select Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So here I'm going to give a name. Alright, so after giving such names, click on create button and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So guys, trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a lead via LinkedIn lead generation form is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to add the details of that lead into MySQL's database. Okay, so here when you click on this trigger window, it will ask to choose the application. So here you have to search for LinkedIn lead generation forms. Okay, then you have to select the trigger event as new lead generation form response. After that, click on connect button. From here, select add new connection and then click on connect with LinkedIn. So it will bring you to the login window. From here, you have to fill your credentials, then click on sign in, and you will be connected with LinkedIn lead generation forms like this. Okay, then it will ask for your account's name and the lead form that you are using for collecting or generating leads. So let me show you my account. So this is my LinkedIn's lead account, ad account actually, and here I am running two ads, you can see, and here is the ad. I can show you this. So guys, I am inside the ads campaign manager of LinkedIn. Okay, this is my account and this is the lead generation campaign I am running, and under this campaign I am running two ads, these two ads. Okay, let me show you this one. This is a lead generating ad I am running. Okay, so this is for healthcare service. Okay, so here is a form attached with this ad. By clicking on register, person can open the form and fill these details to fill the details, and that's how we are going to generate a lead. So let me show you. Here in this ad, I'm going to click on manage. Our lead generation form is attached and the name of the form is, let's see what is the name. Here you can see guys, the name of the form attached here is this, healthcare for life. This is the name of the form. Okay, so you have to select the account name first, which is this. Okay, and here you have to select the lead form. So healthcare form is here, healthcare for life. I have selected it. Now let's generate a lead manually first, and then I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and the details of the same lead will be captured here in the response section. Okay, so let me just open. I'm going to click on this ad on the register button, and here I can fill these details. First of all, I can fill the details of any demo person like this. Then you have to enter a sample phone number or a test phone number. Okay, and the first name and the last name will be pre-filled because this ad is not live yet. Okay, I've just created the ad, but this is not live, so we are not generating the leads in real time. We are just testing this. So when you test this, these two things, first name and the last name, will be automatically filled as the example data set. Like this, I have filled here Pabbly, and the last name is subscription billing management. Okay, now when I'm going to click on submit button, the lead will be generated. Okay, so we have submitted the form. You can see information sent to Pabbly, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request button to get the details of that form submission. All right, and here you can see, guys, we have received the data, and in this data you can see we have received the same email address, the same phone number, and when you scroll down till the last, you will find the email address, the first name, the last name, and the mobile number, everything. Okay, that's how we can capture the data. Now guys, click on this action window, and here to send the data to MySQL, search for MySQL. Okay, then select the action event as insert row, and click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the database username, database password, the host name, the database's name, and the port number. So guys, you can get the details when you are creating your account in SQL. You have the details already probably. Let me show you. This is the hosting domain of SQL, SiteGround. Okay, and here you can see the details. So guys, this is the host server, and here you can see this is the username. So you can just copy this username, paste it here in this database username field. Okay, here you can fill the password. Here you can fill the host address. So host is this, you can see. So this is the whole host address, tools.sitesground.com. You can fill it here. Okay, and for the database name, you can open your MySQL's database, and here you can see I'm under this database. Okay, so you can read the database's name from here. So you just have to copy this database's name, and you have to paste. So this is the database's name. Here you can put the port number. Okay, after filling all the details, click on save, and you will be connected with MySQL or MySQL. Okay, and the connection that you make here by this process is going to saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with MySQL in the same workflow or in a different workflow, you can use that saved connection. For that, you just have to select this existing connection option. Then you have to select your existing connection from this list, and after that click on save, and you will be connected again with MySQL. After getting connected, it will ask for the table's name. So from here select the table name. I have selected this new contacts table. This is the table I have here, you can see. So here is the table, you can see under MySQL named as new contacts. Okay, and when you click on browse here, you can see the data right here. Okay, this is the data already present. And here guys, when you select the table, these fields will appear. These are the fields we already have as the columns of our table. Okay, so to fill the data of these columns in this table here, you need to map the values of these columns here in these fields. So to map the data, we are going to use this data that we have received in the first tab. Okay, and to map the data, you just have to come here and click here, like in the first name field. The previous tab will appear in the drop down only, and when you click on it, you will find all the data right here. So from here you can find the first name and the last name and map it like this. I have mapped the first name. Similarly, scroll down and map the last name label. Similarly, you can map the email address. Okay, and the mobile number. Alright, and after filling all the data, you have to click on save and send test request button, and this data will be added inside your table in MySQL. So I'm clicking on save and send test request button. So this is the response we have received. Status is success. Let us check in our table here if we got a new row added inside the table, and here you can see a new row is added here with the first name Pabbly, last name subscription billing management. This is the email address, this is the number. Okay, So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you do not have to do anything manually in this workflow. In real time, whenever you are going to generate any lead via LinkedIn lead generation form, you will see the lead data captured here directly inside your MySQL's database. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.